Sitting here in the terminal bash, August 17th. Oh, that was the last time. Checking the load version. Node-v. It's version 8.112 Google, and the Git version I checked yesterday was 2.2, because you need both of those, Node.js, which you can download from the nodejs.org website. Like the long-term support issue would be fine. So I'm on a Mac, so it's prompting me to download it onto a Mac, but it works on everywhere. Okay, and we made sure that we have git.scm.com. Get your latest release of that, because you'll need all that in your terminal. You'll have to work in a terminal. We have like a pretty yellow terminal somewhere on this machine. Here it is, hiding. Documents folders, where I generally like to keep a lot of my information on my local drive, and then I have a JavaScript external drive. It's basically, you can get the information on that. It's 128, just a little external USB. So you can travel with it and take your projects anywhere. Currently working on the Glen Smith project. And we're going to work on a Gatsby project today, or start a Gatsby project. But just wanted to do this kind of little preliminary video to show you what you had to have to get started before you get into to Gatsby. And Gatsby is very cool. It's a built on JavaScript. More specifically, it's part of React. So it will help if you have previous knowledge of React, especially JSX, because you'll probably be writing a lot of your code right into your Gatsby project. So that's a little start for today, and maybe we'll even just do a little quick startup on a project. We're going to use a project from our documents folder, and we'll start with this little nursing home project that we were working on, and see how that comes out. And it's in a folder called Kingsway. And control backtick will, on a Mac anyway, it'll bring up your integrated terminal. I use Visual Studio Code. I also use brackets as a code editor, because what I like about brackets, and this has my resume on it, but it has like the preview in there, so you can preview right into the browser. I kind of think that's cool, but we'll just stick with code, as I call it, Visual Studio Code. We're in the Kingsway directory, so we should be able to just Gatsby develop, which is like maybe just jumping ahead of ourselves, because we have to CD into Kingsway Arms first. Now we're in the Kingsway Arms directory. We can run, and I'm getting the Gatsby develop right from Gatsby. It's very well documented. It has a quick start guide. And first thing you got to do is CD to your site. That's the mistake I just made. I wasn't in the right directory. And then we'll just copy Gatsby develop. See where it gets us. And it will, within the next few seconds, hopefully, we'll just kind of bootstrap our site up and run on a local host for us. Now that we have everything we need installed on this machine. And there you go. Localhost 8000. You can command click on that to follow the link, or just go into whatever browser you're using and go to your localhost 8000. And this is a basic front end site. This is a basic site with Gatsby. You just move it over there. So you kind of can see, looks like we're on a page here, a team page. Perhaps, yes, because I'm seeing some JSX over here. JSX. And we're not going to code today, but this is just starting up with a Gatsby project. Gatsby's pretty cool. And as you know, it's fully responsive. And it's fast when you're loading from page to we're on the team page. You go to the next page, and you notice that the browser isn't really reloading. It's just reloading the page that it's on. Super fast. That's kind of one of the features, because it's running all within the browser. It's not making any requests back and forth to the server, back and forth to the server. Spinning wheels will bring you down. Rock and Roll Canada. This is hopefully I haven't made this video too long, but we're going to do some Gatsby tutorials for you and I, actually, just so I can help get better working with Gatsby. You just go to gatsby.org and read through the pretty purple site, and it'll get you started on your own. But the reason I'm going to do these tutorials is maybe help you out with a few things that I learned through watching other people's tutorials. But this is the quick start. It also has a plugin library, which is pretty amazing. And it also has a section where you can just go to like a starter library. And a lot of these projects are on GitHub, and I've been using the Gatsby starter from Gatsby. But other people, and they have a blog starter, but other people and companies have submitted starter sites so that if you want to get up and running maybe a little quicker and a little bit of help, this site's giving you a little bit of a demo, right? So you can use, looks like you'd have to use Contentful, but maybe not. You could just cherry pick what you want. Nice little simple nav bar there with a contact form, which could be very helpful. So thanks for watching. Rock and Roll Canada, rockandrollcanada.ca. And this site's currently built with WordPress right now, and we'll probably do a few we have done some WordPress tutorials. We'll do a few more WordPress tutorials, and thanks for watching.